My name is Justin Lewis. I am the county judge here in Hill County, Texas. I've had this job since 2007, so going on my 15th year now. And we are in the historic Hill County Courthouse, actually in the district courtroom right now. The building is quite lovely. It was built in 1890, designed by W.C. Dodson & Sons. And what you have today is probably one of the finest examples of a courtroom from that era, and just a wonderful building. But unfortunately, we had pipes break in the sprinkler system on the fourth floor. Of course, it's not designed to get down to -15 wind chill around here, and I guess that's what it did. The first notice I got is a gentleman that lives across the road had sent a text message to my county court of law judge, who promptly sent it to me. And sure enough, on the second floor, there was water coming out midway up the windows, just pouring out of the courthouse. We got here, and when I opened the door, what it was, I was greeted by what I thought Niagara Falls might look like off the second floor, just a cascade of water. All the water that collected on the third floor fell through the roof and totally destroyed my IT room. It took out about $250,000 worth of electronic equipment. If you see the balcony over my shoulder over here, it looks like a beautiful waterfall coming off of it. Pretty impressive. Pretty scary, actually, too. Immediately, I called BELFOR and the representatives that we'd had some relationship with. They sent somebody out that night, and the next morning, well, here we are, still working on getting all the water out a couple days later.
My name's Janet Zalazar. I am Senior Project Manager Estimator for BELFOR Property Restoration. We got a call in on Tuesday night from Judge Lewis to come and check out his courthouse that had water in 4 floors. It was 5:30 at night, so we came over just to assess the situation. When we walked in, there was water everywhere, and so we started packing out the contents all the way from the 3rd floor down. The challenges of this job, more than any other job I have done, has been the weather. We never know what the next morning is going to bring, but we were determined to get here to the Hill County Courthouse, a building that has been here for so many years. We want to be able to save as much as we can to get it back to normal as soon as possible.
This building has been through fires, floods, tornadoes, you name it, over the years, but it's always been brought back. I'm not worried about the building at the end of the day. If we're going to bring it back, it's going to be just as nice as it was before. Matter of fact, it'll probably be nicer.